Good morning, guys. Yeah, we are going to work now. It's different today because my duty today is 8 o'clock in the morning, not the usual 6 o'clock. Yeah, so yeah, I already did so many things. I cleaned the house, I did some video editing, and yeah, it is going to be good to go home later on because the house is really clean. Nice weather today. There's no sign that it is going to be rainy the whole day compared to the previous days, which is really rainy. Yeah, nice today. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. Yeah, many people are now walking around. Amazing. And you know, my schedule today is 8 o'clock. Yeah, it's very much different from the usual. The usual or the common schedule is 6 o'clock in the morning for the breakfast, and then for mid shift is 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and night shift or closing shift is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, so today I will be doing breakfast and lunch. Good morning. So I think we have a lot of reservation for the lunch. Whenever my duty starts at 6 o'clock, I usually go to there in the road and not here, because in the road, of course, it is quicker to go to work. 10 minutes. Oh, in here at the moment there are many people. Yeah, already many people. If later on it's not raining, we are going to do some pull-ups in there later. Oh, looks how beautiful is that. And because I will be starting at 8 o'clock, then I will see you later at 4:30. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just had a look in there and it's really beautiful. I just finished my duty 4:30 when I sign out. If you remember, I started at 8 o'clock. That's why just now I am going home. Okay, we go. Okay, we are now here in my usual stop. I'm thinking of doing the pull-ups, chin-up in that exercise area, but yeah, I am feeling tired today. The last thing that I did is cleaning the shrimp. It's a lot of shrimp, and I did that for 1.5 hours. Yeah, that's why I'm feeling tired. That is easy job, but you know, doing something that is the same for more than 1 hour is really tiring. And at the moment there are many people in here. Yeah, in there. Nice weather today. Yeah, some people are walking with their dogs, just relaxing, like this guy. And look at the dog. The dog looks really expensive looking. It's almost, yeah, the hair is similar to cotton. Yeah, looks like dingo. Yeah, that's Tony. She's now working in a different hotel. Before we are working together in the breakfast. She moved already to the other hotel. Yeah, and she got a dog. The dog was placed in this place. Yeah, the carriage is especially designed for the dog. Nice. Yeah, and people are starting to arrive. There will be gatherings, picnic in here. This coffee is coming from cafeteria, because in our cafeteria we have normal coffee, not the machine but the manual one, and I made it before leaving the hotel. Cherish the life, cherish the life. Would be by my side. I often pray. Yeah, and this is how it is here at the moment. There are many people in there. Yeah, they are relaxing, walking their dog. Some people are fishing, some are just standing by with their kids playing. And as you see, the water is very calm. Also, there are many black swan in there. Yeah, very relaxing. Today is December 23, 2020. It's been because I've been away in the Philippines since 2008. Actually, 2008, I am already in Dubai. Yeah, and since that time, I never experienced the Christmas in the Philippines. I would say that Christmas in the Philippines is amazing. It's memorable, beautiful, extravagant, happy. I don't know. Yeah, it is more than I experienced in another country. Yeah, it's like Christmas in the Philippines starts in September, and then from September you're going to hear a Christmas song, and then from time to time there are celebrations that is related mostly because of Christmas. Yeah, like school Christmas party, a company Christmas party, a anniversary party. Usually they are still doing it during December. Yeah, it's yeah, December, I mean Christmas season, holiday season is busy, happy. You know what I'm, yeah, that's what I feel this morning when I arrive at work. It was busy, happy, nice. Whenever I see girls and boys selling lantern on the street, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Whenever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in our hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow, where nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we had for Jesus. Let me the one to guide us as another New Year starts, and may the spirit of Christmas be always in our heart. Good afternoon. Yeah, I just got that $250 for the house rent. You notice that most of the shop here, they are already closed. Usually they close at around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. They never stay until 9 o'clock. Follow me. Okay, we're just going inside to buy something. I don't know yet. We're going to take one of this mango, $6.90, 4 pieces. We are also going to take one of these. These are just $3. Look at that, it's a lot. We are also going to take some of this mixed seafoods. Yeah, $6.59. And we are going to take one of this bok choy. This just $2.50. And if you remember last time, I have this Harris ice cream, salted caramel pods. Yeah, this is really delicious. Yeah, this is really delicious. I tried the other brand, but yeah, I prefer this one. Okay, we go. I still want to stay in the beach for a little bit, but if I do that, I won't be able to upload a video today. That's why we are going home now. It was very busy in the grocery. There are so many people in line for the cashier. Yo, we are home. Yeah, it's good to come home when it's clean. Look at this, organized. The floor is really smooth, clean. Yeah, that one is not really organized, but yeah, it's generally good. There's not so much mess. I'm hungry. I don't have rice. I need to cook rice. Yeah, so the time now is 2 minutes before 6 o'clock. And if you remember this, yeah, this is the leftover from last night, the soup. Actually, I'm going to add some water, some mixed seafoods, and then I just boiled it and add some more vegetable also later. Oh, we are late. News has started already.
Unfortunately, got due to the area. It's very frustrating. It's a little bit bad luck, and I really feel sorry for the operators and actually for RMS have been trying their hardest to.
Yeah, this is what's happening in the UK this time. No good. Anyway, this is my setup, new setup. And I want to mention again that this scooper is coming from Mr. Mike. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Mike.